Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my MET Foundations of Health videos where I am teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. In this video, I will be discussing supplements, specifically the difference between whole food vitamins and synthetic man-made nutrients. I think we can all agree that we should be getting all of our nutrients from food and not from man-made things called food. The problem is that no one is eating everything they should. Our food supply is less nutritionally dense than in years past due to our poor quality topsoil, and some things are just not palatable to most people. For example, when was the last time you ate spleen, kidney, liver, or even beets? Everything in nature comes in a balance or ratio. Sodium to potassium, zinc to copper, calcium to magnesium. You get the idea. Additionally, when we eat nourishing food and meals, there are cofactors and enzymes supplied that help us better utilize and process the nutrients. When we take high dosages of synthetic man-made chemicals as vitamins, it is my opinion that we are likely going to disrupt the balance of nutrients and will be attempting to, therefore, micromanage the body versus nourishing the body so it can self-regulate. This is a challenging balance to attempt. Man-made synthetic vitamins often come from unusual sources and from countries not known for their attention to quality and details. For example, B vitamins. A lot of times they're coming from tar. Ascorbic acid can be coming from corn. Please look at the picture comparing man-made vitamin C, or what is called ascorbic acid, to the food-based vitamin C. As you can see, there is a difference. Eating ascorbic acid would be like only eating a banana peel and saying you are eating the whole banana. So learn to read supplement labels. Whole food supplement labels will have the ingredients such as carrot root, beet, flax, brown rice, alfalfa juice, green tea. You get the idea. Words that make sense as food. Synthetic man-made supplements will use words like dicalcium phosphate, magnesium oxide, ascorbic acid, D-alpha tocopherol, ferrous fumate, beta-carotene, hydrogenated vegetable oil, yellow beeswax, artificial colors, titanium dioxide, yellow number 6, red 40, blue number 1. I think you get the idea. So remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. How are you moving? How are you eating? And how are you thinking? And this can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.